Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to change your name on Facebook. So just open your Facebook application, your device, and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on settings and privacy. Okay, now you can see the settings alone. Just click on it and then tap on personal information. And then tap on your name under the personal information section. This one. Okay. And then here, the first name, your middle name, and your surname. So just click on your first name and add the name that you wanted to use. Okay, and then you can also add your middle name or middle initial here. Now you can finally click on review change and then choose how your name will appear on your profile. So click one of this and then tap on your password, type out your password, and then after that you can finally click on save changes. And that's it. That's how you can change your name on Facebook. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.